Look, it's easy to get it confused. You think, man, maybe she's just being nice. No, bro, she's attracted to you. She's attracted to you and you're not seeing the signs. For example, the best sign. This sign works 100% of the time. You can't tell me otherwise. If you asked and she said so, she likes you. I know, it's obvious, but you guys need to stop being pussies. Look, you need to grow a pair and finally start going, asking girls out and get the reaction that you're looking for. Stop wondering, bro. We're not little kids. In other words, if you like a girl, don't just sit there waddling around. You want a sign to know if she likes you back? Grow a pair of balls, walk over there, ask the chick out. It's literally that simple. It's 100% fail-proof, but I know you didn't come for that. You didn't come for the truth. You want to see the little signs, right? You want to know, does she like you before you go up to her? I know, I got you. Number 2, they're always around you. This is actually a good one. See, if the girl actually likes you, she will make any excuse to be around you. She'll ask you questions. She'll ask you for help. She'll ask you for advice. She'll be where you are. She'll start hanging out with the same friends you hang out. She'll always want to be in your vicinity. So if you're noticing, yo, this chick's always around. She's into you. Or maybe she's into your boy. Who knows? But you kind of have to feel it around and figure out if she's just always around you or is there somebody else. But this is why signs aren't always 100% fail-proof. But if you're the dude that's always looking on point, your grooming's on point, obviously she's going to want to be around you. And this is why I push this so much. For example, something as simple as smelling great. When you smell good, not only are you increasing your own self-perception, but you're increasing the chances that other people want to be around you just because you're pleasurable to be around. If you're not adding a fragrance in your morning routine, this is one of those areas where you could be lacking, bro. Like, this is an easy dub every day. All you gotta do, check out your boy's fragrance, bro. Don't go out and buy your Blue de Chanel, your Dior, stuff. Those are great fragrances, by the way, classics. But everybody has them. You need Santa Lucia, our dark collection, boys. Not only smells, it'll be the best smelling collection you've ever had, but it's unique. Right? You ain't gonna have other dudes smelling the same as you do. It'll be 100% unique. And yes, it's expensive. See, our stuff are parfums. At 21% concentration, it lasts longer. On top of, everything's made in France. So all the oils come from France and Italy. France is the fragrance capital of the world. I cut no corners on this. So I want you to check it out. And yes, you can buy one and test it. But if I were you, I'd buy the bundle, bro. You buy the set of 3, I'm going to hook it up for you today and give you a 35% discount. On top of that, because I don't just want you to smell good, I want your room to smell good, I'm going to give you a free candle. That's right. If you buy today, click the link down below, check out the bundle, you're going to get 35% off plus one of our free candles, which retail for $90. It's a premium candle. It smells delicious. It looks aesthetic. And you're going to get it for free. If you guys want to check it out, this offer will only last for the next 24 hours. It'll be linked down below. Number 3, their pupils are dilated. Dilated pupils are a sign of attraction or excitement. Usually in a physical interaction where there is that physical excitement, a lot of dopamine and oxytocin will be released in your brain. And one of the side effects of these 2 hormones being released is that their pupils dilate. Again, this is a hard one to tell, but when you're close, and I'm talking about like personal space close, and you're having that strong eye contact, which I always talk about, it's very easy to pick up their pupils slowly dilating in that conversation, letting you know there's sexual arousal there. 4, they can't stop moving. This is another good one. Again, when all those chemicals are running through your body, another one that's popular is adrenaline. See, when you're sexually aroused, you also got adrenaline flowing through your body. Blood is pumping in every area of your body, and this is why you can't stay still. Happens to you as well. So if you're peeping her and you're noticing she's touching her hair, she's playing with her hair, she's fixing herself up, she's jittery, or if you guys are sitting down, she's moving her leg a lot. All these little jitters and fidgeting and her inability to just stay still means that she's not comfortable. She's anxious or nervous, probably because you're in the vicinity, bro. Number 5. You can feel it. When someone is attracted to you, you're not in your head. Look, we as humans are gifted almost with this 6th sense, especially when it comes to attraction. And most of you wish, man, I wish I could read her mind and know what she's thinking about. I'm telling you, when you get that feeling in your stomach, like, yo, I think she likes me, and you like her too, and you feel that sexual tension, I'm telling you, you need to act on that. Yo, I'm gonna say 9 times out of 10, That feeling is right. And when you act on that, most of the times it's that she likes you. 6, there is no personal bubble. This is a good one. This is actually a very accurate one where everybody has their personal space, right? It's usually 2 to 4 feet. So for me, for example, around 4 feet, which is around arm's length, let's say, this is where I feel comfortable talking to anybody. It could be a friend, it could be a personal acquaintance, right? This is where I want you to be. When it's my wife or my daughter, I don't mind them being in here. This is true for everybody, right? When you have a sexual partner or somebody that you really love or care for, you won't mind them breaking that personal space and being inside of that. So when you're in a sexual interaction with somebody, again, you could start a little bit over arm's length, right around where you and I are at right now, right? This is where you start talking, you're somebody new, you're getting to know each other. As the conversation progresses, every 30 seconds to a minute, take a slight step in, and then a slight step in. Once you're in about a 2 feet distance, if you've noticed this girl has never retracted, never flinched or squirmed or tried to like push back, and she's actually standing her ground, and in some cases, she might even lean in to close the gap even more, she likes you. Ultimately, number 7, flushed skin. Now that you're in this vicinity, right, now you can see the pupils. Now you're up close and personal. Look for flushed skin. This happens a lot because that blood is pumping, right? Blood is pumping to every part of your body, every organ in your body. And it's also rushing to her face. So when you get those, that's where the blushed cheeks term comes into play. When you see those brushed cheeks or like her face looks flushed, this is her that just blood is pumping, her heart is racing. She's into you, bro.